AMD doesn't look the best. So it was down $7 on the day. Let's call it 5%. We closed at 138.10. Currently after hours, pretty much trading flat. We do got the futures, plus 30, but that can change. Still very, very early. Consider those flat as well. So if we just take a look at AMD here, going back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days ago, coming off highs of $164.46. So we are at about a 12% correction on AMD. What I really want to look at here on AMD does look to be setting up a little flag pattern to the downside. AMD right now is trading below the 5, the 10, the 20, as well as we are in the middle of a channel here. We do have support. It's just kind of resting on this lower Bollinger Band here. So you can see these Bollinger Bands starting to tighten up. Anytime the Bollinger Bands start to compress and they start to get tight, you're looking for a move, a pretty explosion of a move, either breaking out of that or breaking down from that. And just with the way that AMD is setting up, there really is no long play on AMD until it really starts to reclaim a lot of levels of supply and get over $148 on a daily close before I would even consider trying to day trade this or scalp it to the long side. Now, with that being said, I know there's a lot of you guys who, can say, oh, it's a perfect stock, clear levels intraday on the 1-minute chart, the 5-minute chart. Yeah, but you know what? A lot of choppiness, especially me. I'm an options trader. So, when I'm looking to take on a day trade, I need room to the downside. I need room to the upside. I can't have these contracts, being that I do play weekly expirations. I can't have them sitting around for 1-2 days, kind of just chopping around. I need them to go, and I need them to go like right now. So for me, I am looking at AMD to the short side. We do have CPI data that comes out tomorrow on December the 10th. That's going to be at 5:30 a.m. my time, Pacific Standard Time. So what I'm really looking at here is if AMD, it did close at the bottom of the channel here, the bottom of the range. If it does lose this 138 level, a lot of room down, we do have our first initial price target of 134.75. That's going to be correlating with the 50 EMA. And then our hard level support is going to be around 131. That's the 50 SMA. So definitely want to keep those two levels in mind. The 50 EMA is also going to correlate with this down wick. So that's going to add a little bit of support here at that 134 level. So let's keep AMD on watch below 138. Big nasty red candle here, down 7 points on the day. There could be more room to the downside, especially if the overall market, the NASDAQ 100 and the semiconductors, and NVIDIA had a little bit of a down day, a pretty good sized down day today, down 13 points. If we look at CLAC, which is also in the semiconductor space, down 11 points today. So the semiconductors were kind of, have been the strongest and, been leading this NASDAQ 100 charge. Right now, it seems like the only thing holding the NASDAQ up is Apple. Okay, this stock is, an absolute rock star, but I even think Apple is getting ready almost about that time to pull back just a little bit. So let's take a look at AMD tomorrow, short 138. Guys, 0 days till expiration. Be extremely, extremely careful. Get in, get green, get some cash flow, get out. And let's have a great weekend. I hope to see you guys all next time. Guys, do me a favor, join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Give me a thumbs up, as well as drop a comment on this video.